Good morning, students. So today we are going to complete the practice questions of the workbook from the chapter addition. So yesterday when we have done our class, there we have discussed till question number 2 of page 37. So students, please take out page number 37 of your workbook, and till question number 2 we have done yesterday in the live class itself. Now 3 and 4 I have sent as a homework already in the Google Classroom yesterday itself. So today we are going to start from question number 5. So students, let us start. Question number 5 says that a man earned 1842 rupees on day 1 and 5829 rupees on day 2. How much did he earn on both the days? Now we need to find both the days. That means when we have this word both, that means they are asking you to take the total of day 1 and day 2. So that is why they are using the word both. So when we take both the days, that means we need to add both the money. So we will write like this, question number 5. The total money, we will write simply like this. The total money equal. Now we need to add both the money amount, that is 1842, and the second amount is 5829. Now let us add both the numbers. Now students, we can see that starting from one space 2 plus 9, so we can say 9 plus 2. We always start from the larger one. So 9 plus 2, it will be 10, 11. So it will be 1. So 1 is carried to the 10th place. Then 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 8 plus 8, it will be 16. So 1 will be carried to the next place. And 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So the answer is rupees how much? 7,671. So this is the amount that it will be together in both the days. So students, please copy down this. Pause the video. Question number 6 and 7 was already given as a homework before when we have started the addition chapter. In then and there only I have given question number 6 and 7 as a homework. So we are not going to do it because you have already solved it as a homework. Question number 8, that is Ravi has rupees 578 and Sunita has rupees 212. Estimate the total amount they both have. Now estimate, they are saying. So whenever we hear this word or see this word estimate, what we need to do, students? We need to estimate first or round up first to the nearest tens place, and then we need to add. So the amount that we are getting here, that is in question number 8, the first amount is how much? That Ravi has, how much money Ravi has? So that is 578. Now, and let us write the other one also, that is Sunita has rupees. Now it is how much? 212. Now both the numbers, if you see, we need to add, that is 578 plus 212 we need to add. But now we need to round off first. So when we round off, you have to see the tens place this, because we are rounding off in class 3 till nearest tens. So here this is 7, but on the right hand side what is there? 8, which is greater than 5. So I already told you, you have to add 1 in this case. So 7 plus 1, it will be 8, 5 will be 5, and this 8 will be 0. Plus here the ones place is tens place is 1, but the ones place is 2, so that is less than 5. So there will be no changes. This 1 will be 1, this 2 will be 2, and this 2 will become 0. So these are the numbers. Now let us write down the addition. So we can say the addition 580 and 210. So if I do, it will be 0, 8 plus 1, 9, 5 plus 2, 7. So that means rupees how much? It will be 790. So this is the amount that actually they both have together, and that is the estimated one. Okay, not the actual one, but it is the estimated one. Okay, now students, let us go for the next one. The next question is question number 9. Round off to the nearest 10. Now these are direct question. Round off to the nearest tens. That means we need to first of all round off directly without doing anything, because they have not given any addition or anything to do. So let us do say question number 9a. Question number 9a, it is 81. Now suppose 81, if we round off, what is the tens place here? Tens place is 8. On the right hand side, what is there? 1. 1 is smaller than 5. So there will be no changes. So 8 will remain as 8 and 1 will be 0. Number B, it is 26. 26, if you see, the tens place is 2, but 1's place is 6, which is greater than 5. So there will be 1 added. So 2 plus 1, 3, and 6 will become 0. So it will be 30. Number C, it is 32. So here the tens place is 3 and the ones place is 2. So ones place is 2 means it is again less than 5. So no changes required. 3 will be 3 and 2 will be becoming 0. So 30. So that is question number 9. Question number 10, that is what is the sum of. Now students, these are again addition. So see students, again the same type of question they have given. So we are not going to do this same type of again and again, otherwise it will take more time. So question number 10 will be your home practice. Okay. Question number 11, it is given there are 298 students in grade 1 and 190 students in grade 2. What is the total number of students in both the grades? Now again we have to add both of them and complete it. Okay. So this is also a, you can say, direct question. Total they are asking. So simply you need to add, that's it. Okay. So that will be also your home practice number 11. 12, estimate the sum of. Now estimate the sum of already we have been doing. Recently I have done the question, that is which one? Question number 8. Now that was an word sum, but these are direct questions. So ultimately the same question here also. Students 12, that is estimate the sum. Let us do one out of that. 12a, suppose I am doing. Say I am doing 12a, that is 125 and 457. But we need to round off first, because they are saying the estimate, the sum. So if we round off, that is the tens place is 2 here and here it is 5. So here on the ones place it is 5, so greater than 5 or greater than 5, you add 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 1 and it will be 0. And here also the ones place is 7, which is greater than 5. So add 1, 5 plus 1 it is 6, it will be 4 and it will be 0. Now let us add 0 plus 0 it is 0, 6 plus 3 it is 9, 4 plus 1 it is 5. So it is 590. So question number 12a I have done. Then B and C, some of the question I will send as a homework, students. Okay. So you need to check the Google Classroom after the class. Okay. Question number 13, it is solved. Again you have to add all these numbers and it's a direct question again. So students, please copy this one. Okay. So question number, you can say 30, number A, number B are very easy, number C also, because they are giving something like this. 13A, that is 5829 plus 1000. Now when this type of addition is there, students, you actually no need to add vertically. Why? Because see, there are 3 zeros and there are 3 places, ones, tens, 100, ones, tens, 100. So when we add 0 with any number, the same number will come. So that means when we will add this with this 829, so 829 will be same. There will be no changes. Think about the thousands place, 5 plus 1 it will be 6. So only need to add the thousands place. The remaining you can write as it is, because with 0 when we add, there will be no change. Only the number will be increased by thousands. So that is 6000. So the similar way you can do number B and C also, students, they are same. 14 and 15, let us see this. 14 is given, Rajesh spent rupees 1219 and Amar spent 5820 rupees. How much total money did they spend all together? So together. So that means this is also the same question. You need to add, that's it, because they have said together. Together meaning is what? When we add both of them, so all together, or you can say together also, so that they are asking for the total money. So you need to just simply add both the amount, that's it. Okay, students. So that also you can do by yourself, it's very easy. Number 15 is a factory manufactured 4829 nuts and 4829 bolts. How many total number of nuts and bolts did it manufacture? So again it is the same question, but let us do this one. So we will write like this: number of nuts. We will write number of nuts equal to how much? 4,829. Then we will write number of bolts. Number of bolts is 4,829. So that means both are the numbers same, 4829, 4829. Now whatever it is, no problem. We need to now write, so total number of nuts and bolts equal. So now let us add both of them, 4829, 4829. So let us add. Now here 9 plus 9, it will be 18, 8, 1 carried, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 8 plus 8, 16, 6, 1 carried, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. So it is how much? 9, 6, 5, 8. So this is the amount, this is the number of nuts and bolt all together. Okay. So students, question number 15 I have done. Now question number 16, it is again the same question as what we have done in number 9. Round off to the nearest tens. So similar type of question, students, we are not going to discuss again and again. You will be doing it by yourself. Some of the questions I already told you, 6 or 5 questions I will send as homework, and whatever remaining questions will be left out, so that we will practice as your home practice, or write down in your copy as a home practice. Question number 17, also the same. It is estimate the sum of. You need to now estimate the sum, means you need to first estimate and you need to add. So already we are doing so many questions like that. So students, please copy this down. So and then 17 also same. So 17, let us do one question from 17. Say 17C I am doing. 17C 346 plus 493. Now here you can see this is the ones tens place, this is the tens place. So since we need to estimate, we need to round off first. Now here it is 6, which is greater than 5. So it will be 4 plus 1, 5, and it will be 3, and it will be 0. Here the ones place is 3, which is less than 5, so no need to change anything. This will be 9, this will be 4, this will be 3. Now let us add 350 and 490. If you get difficulty in that way, so you can add in this way also. That is 0 plus 0, 0, 5, 9 plus 5, 14, 4, 1 in hand, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. So that means how much it is? 840. Fine. So that will be your question number 17C. So 17A and B I am leaving because it is a similar question. So let's please copy this down. Question number 18, it is said that add. Now these are direct question, add. No need to estimate that, okay? Simply you need to add. So let us do only one question from 18 also. They are very easy question. 18, say B I am doing 273 plus 310. So let us use the vertical method. 3 plus 0, 3, 7 plus 1, 8, 2 plus 3, it is 5. So answer is how much? 583. So very easy. Okay, so please complete this. Now we will go ahead with the next question. Turn the page, students. After copying this, please pause the video and copy this down. Now let us do the remaining questions. Okay, now here we see number 19. It is said that Mira has 29 marbles and Hussein has 32 marbles. Estimate the total number of marbles they have. Now estimate means, again you need to total. First of all, they say total marble, total number of marbles. That means you need to add. But they said one word also, that is called estimate. So that means you need to round off first and then add. So okay, so that already we have done so many questions on that. So we are not going to do it. 29, I am telling you, 29 if we round off it will become 30. 32 if you round off it will also become 30. So 30 plus 30 will be 60, will be the answer of question number 19. Okay. Question number 20, again it's a direct addition. So please leave this question as of now. I will not going to solve here, but I will give you as a homework. I hope question number 20 ABC I will send you as a homework. You have to check Google Classroom. Then question number 21. A box has 190 books, another box has 480 books. Calculate the total number of books in both the boxes. Same type of question, students. Again, 21. That is total number of books they are asking, so we will directly write. So total number of books equal to, total number of books is equal to, that is 190 plus 480. 190 plus 480. So 190 and 480 if you add in the column method like this, so it will be 0, 9 plus 8 it will be 17. So 7, 1 get 8, 1, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. So how many? 670 books. Okay, so please copy down this one. That is question number 21. 22. Rima has 58 toys and Sita has 43 toys. Estimate the number of toys they have. Same type of question, students. Before adding, you need to estimate, round off, and then add. So 58, if I round off to nearest 10, it will be 60. And 43, if we round off, it will become 40. So 60 plus 40, it will be 100. So answer of 22 will be 100. Already I am telling you. 23. Estimate the sum of. Now here also the same, again same type of question. You need to estimate, means first round off and add. So same type of question, students. You will be doing it by yourself. Practice question. Then number 24. If Floris bought 296 flowers on day 1 and 483 flowers on day 2, estimate the total number of flowers bought on both the days. Okay, so let us do this one. It is also same. We need to round off and add because estimate what is given. So 24. So it is given 20 on day 1. Number of flowers on day 1. So we will write number of flowers on day 1 is equal to, so that is 296. Then number of flowers on day 2. Number of flowers on day 2, and that is how much? It is 483. Now students, if you see one thing, that 296, we need to estimate the sum, estimate the total number. So first of all, we need to round off. So 296 plus 483, let us round off. So this is the tens place, this is the tens place. Okay. Now here it is 6, so which is greater than 5, so it will be 9 plus 1. Now this is very interesting, students. You see, we have not got this type of maths before. When we round off 9, that means when 6 is there, I have to add 1 with 9. So it will become how much? 9 plus 1, it will become 10. So 10 I cannot put here, I have to put 0, and that 1 will be carried to 2, so 2 plus 1 it will become 3. And this 6 will be becoming 0 as usual. So please check this one properly. When 9 will be there, and on the right hand side if it is greater than 5, then it will become 9 plus 1, 10. 0 will be placed there in place of 9, but that 1 will be carried to the left hand side digit. Okay. Now here it is 8, and on this side it is how much? 3. So you can see that less than 5, so it will be as 8 as it is 4, and it will be 0. So no changes. Now let us add, since 2 zeros are there, so 8 0 will be coming as it is. No changes. 3 plus 4 it will be 7. So how many? 780 flowers are there estimated in both the days. Okay. So that is question number 24. Now 25 is also again same. It is the addition. So students, you will be solving these addition questions by yourself because these are only for practice. Okay. So they said already practice, because see students, why the name of this particular exercise is given practice question. The reason is that we should not discuss these questions in the classroom. Instead, actually, you should do it by yourself. Why? Because we have done so many questions. In the textbook, you see, we have done real time. And before the practice question, we have done so many questions from the workbook itself. So after doing so many questions, at least you should be able to now do all the question answers of the practice question. And that is why they give you 30 questions or so many questions. Okay, and same repeated type of question. So how much you will practice, that much you will learn. Because of that only. Fine. So students, please do the remaining question, whatever I have left as a home practice. And some of the question I will send you as a homework today. As after the class you can see that. And so we can say that we have concluded the chapter addition. So you know the chapter test, the unit test what is coming from 31st August. So this chapter will be the, that means chapter 4, that is addition, will be the syllabus for unit test for maths. Okay, so we have completed everything of textbook, workbook. So now I think you will be able to do very well in the examination. Okay, so students, best of luck for your examination, and I hope you will be doing very good, and your scores will be like 25. Many of you will get 25 out of 25 without any mistake. Okay, but students, please try to go by the concept. Whatever concept has been taught, on that basis you have to see the questions, because the questions will be concept based questions. Okay, so students, let us wind up today. So a very best of luck to you for the examination and for your studies also. So let's hope that you will be doing good in the coming exam. Okay, and the next class will be with the Monday. Monday there will be the Mindspark class. Okay, so Mindspark, you know, that will be recorded, but students, please be ready to log in Mindspark, because last Monday also I have seen very few students logged in. So students, please be ready with your you can say the login of Mindspark on Monday in the second period. Okay, thank you, best of luck.